The research indicated that women are only entitled to pleasure in relationships, but men are entitled to pleasure in hookups as well as relationships. A double standard can be inferred from women's complaints of lack of mutuality and uncertainty about whether they had the right to expect pleasure in hookups. Men described their own behaviors in hookup sex as selfish, and women and men both described relationship sex as more equal. The important point I would wish to stress is that while there seems to be equal access to pleasurable sex without a relational commitment of any kind, women are still, in a sense, getting screwed. You see where I might come out on that survey. The playing field is not exactly equal. Women have achieved some gains in terms of enjoying casual sex, but they are expected to provide pleasure to men, and they should not necessarily expect it in return. In some households, June Cleaver has gone off to work and Ward is spending his days as a full-time parent. In 2011, only 16% of American households contained a breadwinner husband and a stay-at-home wife. About 40% of women now make more money than their husbands. Many couples are evolving into free-flowing relationships with men taking care of home duties and women working outside the home, although research still indicates that women do more work. It is not a fair distribution in many cases. Roles adjusted in response to changing family circumstances. Realities have changed the balance of employment and education, but ideas about gender roles have not shifted so quickly.